when FedEx warned, that really sent a chill throughout the sector. How much do you extrapolate that to the rest of the coverage universe that you have?
Well, you know, they were doing what FedEx does. They're trying to be very transparent about exactly what they see happening. And they said, you know, things were decelerating in Europe. But the U.S. economy continues to be very robust. And unfortunately, the market fixated on the negative. You know, we're really 180 degrees from where we were just 6 months ago when everyone wanted to fixate on the positive. Now everyone wants to fixate on the negative. That's just the swings that happen in good old Mr. Market sentiment. But the bottom line is that we had a record holiday shipping season. You saw that in truck volumes. You saw it in container volumes. You saw it in air freight and parcel volumes, FedEx's numbers in particular. And e-commerce had yet another booming holiday shipping season. So how you push down the shares of things like FedEx and XPO by 40 and 50%, it doesn't make sense.
How much of that volume do you think is inventory being brought forward to, you know, as a preventive measure in case the tariffs go higher or the tariffs get wider?
No, those are retail goods, and that's really not things you hold any inventory in. And if you look at the inventories that are held, and whether it's e-tailing fulfillment centers or you go to a Walmart distribution center, there's no excess inventories being held in those facilities.
So if you wanted to stay away from what FedEx was saying was weak, which was Europe and China, which stocks in your coverage universe are more domestically oriented?
Well, the most domestically oriented would be the truckers, which have also just been brutalized. They had one incredible ride last year with the introduction of electronic logging devices, a very huge squeeze in capacity. We saw spot rates early in the year go up as much as 30%, a record increase. Contract rates have followed. They're now up 10 to 15%, and those have held, although spot market rates have fallen back down to relatively flat. With year-over-year levels. So you've got names in that segment like Werner, J.B. Hunt, Knight, which have all been brutalized as if we were going into a recession, yet they could well post record earnings on top of record earnings in 2019. Don.